What's going on YouTube, man? We back up here at the shop, man. Gotta get some more work done to the black stallion. And it's the 04 3.9 V6 Mustang. You know, trying to get some work done to it, man. Getting my upper control on.
Good to go to Canada. That's the sign somebody might got
take it
no
off.
money to spend.
Just
go to Canada for no
man.
reason.
No, he's my wife. She never been in
It's an
Canada,
04,
so
man.
I just brought her.
2019, gonna be
Take it
2020.
to Canada.
I was promise, I promise.
How was it?
It's good because on Canada side, the view is better.
Just lift the thing up.
A lot of them. What I say? It's a lot of business.
New. On the
Something
left,
to
on
have
the
fun.
red.
But I drove from here to Buffalo, New York. I crossed the bridge.
Man.
And I went in
If
Ontario.
you got a late model car,
I spent the weekend
just
there.
make sure you know.
And then I drove all the way to Toronto.
Eventually,
From
you're gonna do
Toronto, I
some.
drove all the way to Detroit, Michigan.
You got to
And I
restore
crossed
it
the border
or
to
do
Detroit.
some repairs on it because them parts in that car is old, man.
6 days. Oh, okay. It was like
You gotta do what you gotta do.
1,900 miles.
Keep your car running as smooth as possible.
1,000.
So that's what we're doing today. We're changing some parts, getting out with the old, and turning it up with the new.
What is that part?
We ended up doing the lower control arm too. Trying with this lower rope, man. Don't let it get too long, man. Rust it inside. Take it a minute to get it off. Look how old that is, man. These bolts and stuff old, man. More rusty. That's a look at a new upper one. Looking good. That marinade is some kind of wet stuff. Ain't sprayed on. We finally got that mug off. Finally. What it was, that bolt was rusting inside of the thing and inside this bushing. Look how old this is. Like I said, eventually y'all had to change it, man. It's an 04 Mustang, man. It got old bolts, rusted, big rusted. Look at that, bushings torn, all that, man. So prepare yourself, man, on down the line, man. You got a late model car, man. You're gonna have to do some restoration. You're gonna have to restore some things, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Hit a boat. That's pitiful. It's crazy what steel do and metal will do. We're gonna stay together for a long time. That's crazy. The right side. In the back. It's worse than the left side. Look at this.
Me cayeron toda la vaina encima, los palitos. Un carro que compré
That's
mañana
crazy.
me llegó ahí, ahora tengo que pagar esa mierda también.
Look at all that. That was messed up. Well, gotta finish. Gotta knock it out, man. That's terrible though. Just like that, man. It's a wrap. Got the lure right here, upper right here. It's a wrap, man. Got the rest of the tubes, man. But take care of your car, man. Got the black stallion back on the ground. Let's go for the test drive that we was talking about. But yeah, and just like that, man, we back at the crib. She ride good, man. Real sturdy and stiff and strong in the back. No more dropping hard and stuff. That's how you know. That's how you know if you need to change out your upper and lower control arms, man. The bushings or whatever. If you riding and it like if you hit a bump and it hit hard or something like that, it'll drop real hard or something like that. That's how you know you have to change your lower or upper control arms, man. You know what I'm saying? It was just that time, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Get the job done and keep your vehicle running how you want it to run and looking how you want it to look. You know what I'm saying? It requires maintenance over a period of time, especially when you got a older model car like mine. I got 04 Mustang. You know what I'm saying? Keep it looking good, keep it feeling good, and then keep you rolling good. And just like that, man, there you have it, man. 04 Mustang 3.9 V6 40th anniversary.